Do you like my hairdo? I am still upset about the fact that next month is my birthday, and my Goa plans got cancelled because of one friend. So I dressed up like this, in an oversized tunic top and this bohemian hippie hairdo. Um, Otherwise, in spite of being an artist and a creative person, I don't like makeup, and I don't really enjoy too much of dressing up unless I'm going out for some occasion. Anyway, it's high time Indians stop doing these things. Yes. I'm proud to be an Indian and I love my country, but there are a few things it's high time, people just changed. It's high time, it's the 21st century. Abhi nahi badlenge to kabhi badlenge. So, number one, stop being judgmental. Please tell me about it. I mean, be having such relatives, such friends, such neighbors, and God forbid if you have such parents, then shat pranam, because you have literally tolerated such people. That means wow. You have my sympathy. I understand. Why do Indians have to be judgmental about everything and anything? Even if you do something good, I'm damn sure there will be people who will try to find some कीड़ा कांडी negative in that also. क्या हिप्पी बनना है? ये क्या पहना है? क्या कपड़े पहने हैं? शर्मा जी की बेटी देखा नहीं आपने? कितने छोटे कपड़े पहनती है. माँ बाप कुछ बोलते किसकी हैं? MBA कर रही है. क्या करना है पढ़ लिख के? आखिर तो शादी करके रोटियां ही तो बेलनी है. अच्छा, 35 का हो गया, अब तक शादी क्यों नहीं हुई? कहीं लफड़ा तो नहीं है? अच्छा. अभी अच्छा खासा तो कमा रहे हो, शादी कर लो. क्यों? अच्छा, हायर स्टडीज के लिए जा रहे हो? अच्छा. देख लेना मल्होत्रा जी, आपका बेटा कोई गोरी मेम ना लेके आ जाए. नहीं, हम तो बस ऐसे ही कह रहे थे. आप देख लेना अपने बच्चे का. हाँ, नहीं, हम तो खुश हैं जी. हाँ, बट फिर भी देख लेना. बेटा साड़ी क्यों नहीं पहनी तुमने? Stop it. Stop it. You don't have to judge every other thing. There are people who will seriously not be even happy if you are doing something good. हर चीज में टांग अड़ाना है, हर चीज में. Number 2, stop getting personal with even strangers. I mean, I am a creative person, but even I really love my privacy, and I'm usually a very private person. I don't really talk to strangers. There might be so many people even in my locality, I think they don't even know that I exist, or even in my society building, that they must be not even knowing that I stay here since so many years. कुछ चीजें नहीं पूछनी चाहिए. It's like an etiquette. थोड़ा बहुत तो होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे तो people are such, they'll talk to anyone and start asking so many personal questions as if you know me. हाँ boss, you are like my chaddi buddy and all. I mean, I know there are a lot of people who, especially people who are tourists or who are not from this country, they really feel bombarded with so many questions. It's not right to ask too many questions. हाँ, why are you traveling alone here, or अकेले क्यों रहते हो? अच्छा, वहाँ पे तो सब कुछ एकदम खुला खुला होगा ना, like free minded people in the West. Why are you not married at 35? Why are you a single mother? इसका बच्चे का बाप किधर है? You cannot ask so many personal questions to people whom you hardly know. Like, stop it. कुछ तो ठहर जाओ. क्यूरियस कैट होने की जरूरत नहीं है बॉस. Number 3, stop staring and passing comments. I have grown up in this city, all my life. I mean, even though, like, see, I really feel that Mumbai is still much better than, any other city. But I have seen this. People stare. Even women stare. And since I was a kid, I have seen this. Men, of course, stare in a different dirty manner. क्या है, एक्सरे लगाए क्या तुम्हारी आंखों में ऊपर से नीचे तक देखना है? What the fuck? And even women, like, why do you stare? Like, ठीक है, it's like human nature. कोई अच्छे से एकदम some nice good looking boys coming, I also, I'll check him out. Because एक तो बहुत मुश्किल से I see any good looking boys here, and like, at least in my area, so I definitely check him out, and maybe a हल्का सा smile comes, but not like है जो एकदम ऊपर से नीचे तक ताड़ो. What? And passing comments. I mean, I feel like completely violated. कि यार, I cannot even walk for 10 minutes in a peaceful manner without people actually staring at me. I'm not some piece of meat. So can you imagine, like, jo people coming from out of India, like, I've read blogs and everything, when they share their experiences, what the hell? I feel so ashamed, like, when I read that, like, what these women went through, and which basically you cannot deny. People who travel in trains or those crowded buses and crowded places, why can't you keep your hands to yourself? Why can't you bloody look down? I want to, like, seriously, I want to punch these people. That much anger I feel. But, like, everyone is running, everyone is in a hurry, so we are like, not as a time to basically confront, but sometimes you have to confront. I mean, I'm not walking on that road, or I'm not dressing up for anyone else. It's just for myself. This is like such a wrong perception. Oh God, it's like the 21st century, and when is that going to change? Eve teasing, staring, molestation and rape is like another topic. I don't even want to get into that. But seriously, like, I wonder what kind of upbringing these people have had. And क्या है, like, माएँ करती क्या है? Mothers, what are you people doing? Can't you bloody see what your sons are doing, or the male members of the family? एक झापड़ दो उनको, एक चमाट देंगे ना, तब पता चलेगा. Like, seriously, what is happening? A developing country, इतना develop हो रहा है, but what? ये मामले में हाँ नहीं, just like, it's like almost you should just pray कि ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं हमारे साथ. Just pray. Prayers के ऊपर ही चल रहा है. Number 4, stop thinking of marriage as a solution for every damn thing. Please. लोगों को चैन नहीं आता है क्या, लाइक, जब तक लड़कियों की या लड़कों की शादी नहीं हो जाए इस कंट्री में. लाइक, the woman can be like, she must be the CEO of some company or some big manager also. Still people are like, oh, अभी तो अच्छा खासा सेटल हो गई हो, अब शादी कब कर रही हो? और हमारी बेटी MBA है, फॉरेन से पढ़ के आई है. हाँ, तो क्वालिफिकेशंस शादी के लिए तो किया. तो ये सब qualifications का क्या फायदा? Get qualified just for marriage also. And then they, you know what they do? Some of them don't even earn after marriage. बस हाँ ग्रेजुएट हो जाओ, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हो जाओ, MBA हो जाओ, and then get married and stay at home. I'm like, क्यों वो सीट क्यों इतना वेस्ट किया? If you did not want to have a career just for marriage, that's like, and till you don't get married, everyone from your relatives, from your parents, from the people living in your building, your neighbors, I don't know anyone, like even the grocery shop wala, maybe even like from the I'm exaggerating now, not the watchman, but seriously the whole world is just bothered about when are you going to get married. हाँ लड़का सुधर नहीं रहा है शादी करा तो someone's dad has expired, the relatives will start thinking of marriage, thinking of getting all the girls in that family married. I'm like, it's like almost like business transaction जैसा होता है, like dowry still exists and gifts, that's what it is called. Yeah, don't get me wrong, like I'm not against the institution of marriage. I'm completely for marriage, but that is not just the only aim, especially of girls in today's world. At least everyone wants to mostly do something on their own, and life is not just about getting married and having kids. I mean, good for people who want to do that, but stop judging people and stop being after these kids' life, everyone's, these youngsters' life, that shadi kar lo ya bacche, that is like another topic only. As soon as you get married, everyone will start asking bacche kab hone wale hain, खुश खबरी कब दे रहे हो? Why is this anyone else's business? Marriage should be about two people. Yeah, it's okay, in India it's like शादी का मतलब, in a Bollywood films what they show, यहाँ पे शादी का मतलब होता है दो परिवारों का मिलना. But I think they have taken those lines too seriously, because seriously marriage should be only about two people and their life and their whatever they decided, that it's up to them. Why are you bothered? Number 5, stop being stupid and please be rational. Now I will say this mainly because just go on Facebook or any social media, Twitter and all these social media profiles, and you will see there are so many stupid people just blindly following anything. कुछ भी देखा, fake video भी, they'll start commenting, and there are so many people who are not well read, and they just want to see. It's like mentality ऐसी है कि बस they don't want to see both sides of the argument. If you are, especially even if you are educated, तो भी there are people who are so stupid, and I'm like, oh my god, you're a doctor and you are talking such stupid things on social media that I am wondering कि तूने क्या पढ़ाई की? Like and there might be like someone who is not very well educated, and yet those people are so wise and worldly, दुनियादारी, which they say, दुनियादारी सीखना, that no books can teach you, and that that worldly wise person, that somehow I don't know if any books can teach you. It's very important to read. read books, read articles, watch news, be very aware of what's happening around. But when you open your mouth or when you write on social media or when you're debating, I have seen so many people who are still stupid, and I'm like, is India ever going to progress in that sense? I don't know. Like, क्यों मेरे country का नाम खराब कर रहे हो? Why? Please think before you write or type something, or even you open your mouth. I'm like, कितने stupid लोग हैं, कितने idiots हैं. So yeah, please be rational. दिमाग लगाओ, सोचो, see both the sides of the argument, and don't be like a कुएं का मेंढक.
Drop the bass.